Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. We were just posting the videos in English. As per the viewers' request or viewers' suggestion, we were suggested to post the videos in multiple languages. So here afterwards, videos will be coming in Tamil and also in English. So thanks for your support. Please see the video and enjoy. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. In this video, let us see a small portable audio amplifier from a company called Leapy, and its name is Leapy Mini Audio Amplifier. These amplifiers are generally used for connecting your stereo system speakers in case the stereo system has broken down. This amplifier can work as an audio input and output device. So we'll show the demo in some time. So friends, without wasting time, let us get into the unboxing. Before getting into the video, hit the like button, and if you're not yet subscribed to Uday's Review, please subscribe to Uday's Review and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post the video. And also share the video with your friends and families, and also ask them to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let us get into the video. This is the box. On top of the box you have company branding. Below that you have the features of the amplifier, like it has super bass, EQ, tone direct, FM radio, left and right channel, and this device is powered by 12 to 15 watts DC adapter. Below it you have some features of the device like product feature, product color, product function, model number and manufacturer details. If you want it, you can pause it and read it. Below that there is same as top of the box. That's all on the box. Let us get into the unboxing. Once we open the box, you will find a device. I'll remove the device out. Once I remove the product out of the box, on top of it I have a paper manual where it says branding and model number. Inside it you have introduction, features and terms and conditions. And also we have the diagram of the product and its detailed specification. Let us keep the manual aside and let us get into the unboxing of the product. We'll remove the product from the cover. So this is the product. This is the front of the device, and here you have a power switch, a bass controller, volume controller and a treble controller. So you can use this according to your wish to control the volumes, bassness and the treble of the speaker. The build of the device is solid, as this device is completely made out of aluminium. Behind it you have an input source, output source and a power adapter source. Input source is where you give feed inside the amplifier, and output source is where the audio comes to the speaker from the amplifier. You have two input methods, one is RCA and one more is AUX, that is 3.5 mm jack. So here you will have to connect the speakers. I'll show you in some time. And here you will have to connect the power adapter. As I told you, there are two inputs in this. Let us check these inputs. How does it work? Now let us connect the speakers to the amplifier. Back of the amplifier, as we already saw, it is stereo channel, so you have only left and right. You will have to take the left speakers, that is left negative, and connect it to negative left, and left positive to left positive. Right positive to write positive, and write negative to write negative. So just press this button below, it will open up the space and you can insert the wire there. And now let us connect the power adapter. We will take a RCA cable and connect it. So red goes into red, the white goes into the white. This is the left and right of the input source. This is 3.5 mm jack in the input. So we have connected this. Keep in mind that only one source of input will be functional at the time of listening to music or anything else. Once we connect all the cables behind, we can switch on the device by switching on the power, and you can adjust the bass level. Next, you can adjust the treble level. After that, you can keep the volume how much ever you need. Now using 2:1 cable, I'll connect one side of the cable to the input using RCA and another side 3.5 jack to my mobile phone. So this is how it hears. Now let us connect the wrong adapter and see how does it look. So this adapter is 12 watts and 3 ampere. Actually we should connect 12 watts 2 ampere, but now I'm connecting 12 watts and 3 ampere and show to you. So when I put the wrong adapter and switch it on, the amplifier will create some noise. So I suggest you to always, when you are connecting any devices, use the correct power adapter and connect it. So friends, as you can see, this is our second disc. We got this amplifier mainly for this purpose only, for the second disc. So this disc will be editing videos, and the system is Hackintosh. In the previous disc also we saw the system is Hackintosh. So in this disc we'll be editing videos, and we have also started for music production stuff. So that is why we wanted a good speaker. As a speaker was lying down in my place quite long time, I thought I'll use this only. So that's why when I searched online for an amplifier which is powerful enough to support the speaker, so I got this. So friends, here we can see I already have an M Audio M Track Plus. This is a first generation USB sound card. It works pretty well. So I was looking for a speakers for this. Usually when I edit the videos, I use the headphone jack here and use Sennheiser headphones for editing. It is HD206. It's a very good headphone. So for this sound card, I am connecting the speaker and the amplifier. Let us see. So I got a cable which is RCA to mono jack or quarter inch, whatever you can see. One side it will be on mono jack or a quarter inch, one side it will be an RCA cable. I will connect the both ends of mono jack or quarter inch cable into M Audio Track Plus. So we got this stuff late, so that's why I am in a different t-shirt now. So this is how you connect it for this one.
M-Audio M-Track, and let me connect this to the amplifier. And here the white ring goes to the white hole and the red ring goes to the red. Connect it like this. So this is how we connect, and we also do some voiceovers and all other stuff. So I have a microphone here and that cable is here. I'm connecting it here. And coming to adapter, you should use a good quality adapter. The box suggests is 12 watts 2 amp adapter. So I got this 12 watts 2 amp adapter. The adapter was also not proper, which we ordered last. So again there's a delay receiving the product. So I'll connect this and I'll show you the demo of it. Now let us place back everything to its place where it was originally kept. Just for this video purpose, we removed everything and connected it back. So I'll keep it here and I'll put the wires behind. So this is how it looks. So this is a desk setup. So we have arranged it cleanly now. Now this is how it looks. So this is how it looks, and clean and neat. I'll open now Logic Pro X, where my brother is a sound engineer. He has done some music productions in this. So I'll show the demo to you. So now I'll increase the volume. So this was the main purpose for making this custom setup. This is a Hackintosh system. I will get the video done of the system, how to install Mac OS on a custom built Windows PC. This is a i5. It is 20 GB RAM and it has 1060 graphic card of NVIDIA. Nowadays NVIDIAs are not supporting for the higher versions, like if you go for higher than Mac OS High Sierra. So this is now in High Sierra. If you want to upgrade, then this we need a AMD graphic card for this. This is a setup where we are planning to start off with music production and dubbing, voiceover and other stuff.
So friends, how did you like this video about Leapy Mini Amplifier? If you like this video, please hit the like button or dislike button, whichever you want to hit. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel Uday's Review. Or if you are already subscribed to the channel, please hit the notification button, so you will be notified whenever we post the videos. And also share the video with the friends and families, and also please tell them to subscribe to my channel Uday's Review. Also follow us in the social media platform. The link is given in the description below. Friends, this was the video about Leapy Mini Amplifier. See you in the next interesting content. Thank you. Bye.